What is up, YouTube? Today I'm going to be breaking down how does YouTube money work and how much do you get paid for YouTube ads? How does this whole concept of making money as a YouTube creator work? I'm finna break it down from the basics up to the medium to a little bit of the, advanced. I'm gonna show you guys how to make money here on this YouTube platform. Let's get straight into it. So the first thing you gotta do before you're able to monetize your YouTube content is you have to meet a certain criteria and you have to cross certain milestones. Now, what is this criteria, CJ? Oh, I got you. Glad you asked. If we pull up right here the YouTube Partner Program Overview and Eligibility, we're gonna go over exactly what you need to do. Now, number one, you have to follow the YouTube monetization policies and rules. Your content has to be monetizable, basically. Number two, you need to live in a country or a region where the YouTube Paid Partner Program is available. Now, number three, number four, and number five, these are super important. These are the things that you're gonna be working on right now to enable your eligibility for this program. This is also the kind of content and videos that I'm gonna be creating to help you get there. You guys need to hit 4,000 public watch time hours within a 12-month span on all of your YouTube content. It might seem like a lot and it might seem daunting when you're first starting off and your views are low. Don't even worry about it. I got a ton of strategies and tips and things that will help you become monetized here on this YouTube platform. It's all coming, so hit the subscribe button right now. I got you. Now, you have to cross 1,000 subscriber threshold. Now, on this channel, I have not reached 1,000 subscribers just yet as of the recording of this video. But my main channel has over 50,000 subscribers currently at the recording of this video. And that's the channel that I'm looking to traject into the 100K subscriber mark this year. So I will be documenting that as well as the journey to get this channel here monetized to hit the watch time hours and everything within the 12-month span. So the same thing that I'm teaching you to do, I'm actually doing for this second channel, but I've already done on my main channel. And then last but not least, you have to have a connected Google AdSense account. Very simple to set up. This is where you're gonna put in, your tax information, if you're a business and so forth. And this is where you get paid. A YouTube AdSense account, super easy to set up. Put in your bank information, all that good stuff. So that way, when you are monetized and YouTube is running ads against your videos and the other various tiers of YouTube monetization, every time it's time for you to get paid monthly, it's gonna run through that Google AdSense account and pay out to your bank account, baby. Straight to your pocket, I got you. Once you've hit these 5 check marks, you have to apply. It's not like it's automatic. It's not like once you cross these milestones that you're gonna just start making money. No, YouTube has to review your channel and your application. They basically gotta approve your channel before you start making the coin. What does it take to get approved, CJ? Glad you asked, I got you on that too. So number one, obviously you have to be following the policies and guidelines that YouTube has in place. I mean, come on, man, it's their platform. You can't be out here wilding. You gotta make sure your content falls in line within their guidelines. Next, you have to have two-step verification enabled. Why would you not already have that on right now? If you have a Google account and you have a YouTube account or whatever, go ahead and turn that on. But in a future video, I'm gonna be showing you how to take the two-step verification to the next level and intensify that security. I got you guys. Next, you're gonna need to have the 1,000 subscribers along with the 4,000 watch time hours, which, like I said, I will be bringing out content to help you accomplish this. Next, you need to sign to YouTube Partner Program terms, and you gotta agree to what the split is, you and YouTube and stuff. It's not a negotiable thing, it's just kind of like a laid out terms. And yeah. And then number 5, you have to make sure you have one AdSense account. So got your AdSense account connected to your YouTube. Like I said, this is where you get paid. And then number 6, you have to get reviewed. YouTube's gonna take a look. They have a certain review process of your content. And then after it passes that, you are in there, good to go. Yes, you can get rejected. There's a couple of frequently asked questions on what you can do after rejection or how it goes after you get approved. Let's get approved, player. Let's get our money. The next thing I wanna show you guys is there's different tiers to how you can earn money on YouTube. It's not just AdSense, that's the basics. Once we get past the basics, what else is there available to monetize your YouTube content? I got you. Right here on this chart, it breaks it down. So ad revenue is at that point once we got the basics out the way. So the next thing up that you're able to do is a merch shelf. This, I think, comes along with Teespring, where you're able to design merch. Teespring is a print-on-demand company, and you can sell those merch ideas and products out to your viewers. Then you have channel memberships. This, you have to accomplish 30,000 subscribers in order to unlock this. Now, I do have this available on my main channel. I have yet to use it to its full potential. But it's kind of like the Patreon model where you can get people who really love and want to support you. So someone becomes a member to your channel at whatever the set price is, and there's also incentives that you can offer, like say if you guys want access to this and so forth. Like say if I wanted to do like a smaller live stream with a focus group, and I open that up only to my channel members and things like that. There's different ways that you can use channel membership to monetize your YouTube channel and audience. And then there's also like the super chats. So you get that at the basic level, but once you go live, if people are enjoying your content, if you're dropping jewels on your live stream, which I will be doing in the future, then people can super chat you for whatever reason, or if you're doing channel reviews and things like that. All of those things are coming to the future here on Hustle to Create. I got you guys. I'm gonna teach you guys how you can create a YouTube channel and make it become a stream of income and revenue. Also, as well as other business setups, entities, and performance and personal finances and all of that good things. Obviously, I'm not a certified CPA. This is for entertainment purposes only, and this is just me sharing my journey. I've been on YouTube for, 3 years now. I have accomplished full-time YouTuber status, so I just want to be able to give back and help other creators capitalize, like teaching you guys the things that I didn't know when I was at your level, which would have helped speed along and made it. Basically I took all the bumps and knots and scars so that you can take a lot less. You're gonna still take some, but I'm just trying to ease your road on this YouTube journey. Oh, your YouTube earnings and tax liability. Let's talk about it. You don't mess with the IRS. You are being paid from YouTube to you directly, and then they are reporting what that amount is to the IRS. So basically you are responsible for deducting and setting aside your taxes. If you got $1,000 on YouTube, you didn't get $1,000. There's a piece of that or a portion of that, depending on your tax liability, that has to be set aside for the end of the year for your taxes. Please, please, please do this. I'll have some videos roughly touching on this because this is serious, this is real, and this is what you have to get in order. As you develop, as you get better, your bookkeeping will evolve, and then maybe at some point it can become like its own entity and things like that. We're gonna talk about all of those things. We're gonna structure the business the right way, properly going forward. I wanna help other entrepreneurs and people who get out here and get it. I want to help you guys get it and do it the right way. Put aside for your taxes. Now, those were like the basics of what YouTube offers you and how YouTube money works. There's more to it though, you guys. There's so many other ways to make money via your YouTube channel that doesn't involve these YouTube programs, such as affiliate marketing. Using affiliate links to services and products that you speak about and offer value to your audience to help them make a decision. They can go via your affiliate link, which costs them no extra, not a dime, not a cent more, but it just lets that company know that this traffic was targeted and driven by your YouTube channel and your affiliate account. So that company says, okay, we're gonna give you a piece or a commission at no extra cost to the buyer. Companies will reward you with a commission, and that's via affiliate marketing, even before you are approved on the YouTube partner program. So this is something that you guys should look into. I will be making videos about this, and I will be educating you guys. We talked about the merch shop on YouTube, but that's print on demand. If you really wanted to, and you got to a point where you had a loyal fan base and you can go out and purchase merch and then just ship it out on your own and keep more of the profit, that's another route that you can go. There's also going to come the point where brands reach out to you and want to work with you and offer you a payment in exchange for whether it's just a 30-second, 60-second video ad spot or mention in a portion of your video, or it's a full-on dedicated video and so forth. But you have to negotiate the terms of that. And I'm all about getting paid for what you do. Now there's small exceptions to when you probably shouldn't receive compensation, but if you're working hard and you're exposing them to potential buyers and viewers and things like that, you should be compensated for that. But we'll talk about more of that in depth later on in future videos. But brand deals is another way that you can bring in money on your YouTube channel. There's also e-commerce. You can have a product. Maybe you wrote a book, maybe you did an ebook, maybe you have a course, maybe you're doing coaching, things like that. All of these products, LUTs and so forth, you can sell on your YouTube, avenue and monetize that and bring in income. The whole point is to build multiple streams of income. That's why this channel is called Create a Hustle. Let's create multiple hustles or multiple revenue streams, multiple sources of income. That's what it's all about. That's how you build a more vibrant ecosystem of income. And that's the most important thing for survival. If 2020 didn't teach us anything, that was the thing. All right, let's talk about the second portion of the title. How much does YouTube ads pay? Now, this is very subjective to the niche or the subject that you speak to in a video. Different topics, different products, different videos, different things are gonna yield different CPMs, which is basically the rate of how much you're being paid per so many viewers. I think it's per 1,000 viewers and so forth, but CPM rates fluctuate, even within a niche. But different niches have higher CPMs than other niches. So some niches are gonna yield a higher ad revenue payout. And the reason being is there's a lot of marketing dollars. There's a lot of people, a lot of companies who are trying to bid for ads in that space against those style of videos and niches, which drives the price up, which means you get a bigger cut of the payout because they're paying more to run their ads and they're all trying to outbid each other to get up in front and have their ad ran against your videos within that niche. I'll make a video later on about some of the high CPM niches and so forth. And also, as I said, even when you're within a niche, different topics are gonna have higher CPMs than other topics. So it's always a up and down, ebb and flow type of thing. But over time, as you start to build analytics and have data that you can look at, you can see what videos drive what CPMs. And you can structure your ecosystem or your income revenue and your push, whatever you decide to do. But the more data you get, the better. And that's what all of this is about. And that's why you gotta create and pump out things. You guys are gonna need to learn, do a lot of research. You have to understand how YouTube works. You gotta understand the game. That's the only way to have success. There's a lot of tools out there to help you. And you guys are gonna always hear me speak about these tools, not only because I use them, and yes, I may be have an affiliate relationship with them, but these are the tools that helped me when I had no idea of what I was doing. So a great tool that you can use early in your YouTube career is TubeBuddy. It's one of my favorite tools. I used it in the beginning. It literally helped me when I had no idea what I was doing because it helped me with SEO optimization. It helped me target certain keywords. It helped me find niches. It helped me a lot. This is your sidekick from the YouTube heavens. No lie, no cap. I use it to this day. I use it on my main channel and I use it on this channel right here, right now. I have a link down in the description if you guys want to check out TubeBuddy. Trust me, it is absolutely worth it. I've been using it for years and I appreciate it. The keyword research tool, that thing right there alone is worth the subscription to TubeBuddy. Period. And there's also another tool that I like to always recommend, and that's Epidemic Sound, because a lot of people are going to want to use music, but you don't want to do it the wrong way. Please do not go out there searching for no copyright sounds, no copyright music, stuff like that, because you're still running the risk of copyright strikes, demonetization, and things like that. You have to have proper agreements, licenses in order to use music. Epidemic Sounds makes that easy. Just have a valid subscription, which I'm giving you a 30-day free trial down in the description below via my link. So check out Epidemic Sound, check out TubeBuddy. These are two of my favorite tools when starting out that I like to recommend and speak on. I will have dedicated videos to both of these, especially TubeBuddy. I gotta get deep into TubeBuddy and show you what that tool can do, because that thing is just a time saver, lifesaver, and it's an absolute sidekick to YouTube. I love it, I love it, I love it. Anyways, my name is CJ, this is Create a Hustle. I just wanted to give you guys a quick rundown and more of a deeper understanding as to how you can monetize your YouTube channel. This is just the basics, the beginning. We're gonna get more into the, novice and intermediate and then advanced levels of monetizing. Peace.
Where do I begin? I see the hate, they don't wanna see me win. Bank deposits, I got more coming in. Top down, throw the money in the wind. I don't want it all. Heard he scammer, had to switch up the accounts. Moving paper, gotta call it my account. It's all in, I can have it coming out. Been through the struggle, I can see another drought. Yeah.